Hey dummy, what is it this time? Trying to connect your kick points to Lumia stream? Well, sit down, shut up, and pay attention. Now, if you haven't already, I think it's absolutely horse that you haven't watched my other videos first, but make sure you go on and check out how to connect Kick to Lumia in order for us to proceed. Once your unfaithful ass has done what you should have done in the first place, let's get started. One very important thing to know about controlling your kick points with Lumia Stream is that the channel points redemption name and cost has to match what you put into Lumia. So whatever you create here, you have to match in Lumia. If you haven't skipped ahead already, go ahead and click Create New. It's going to open up a box for you to create your reward name. We're going to name this one Crowd Laugh because it's going to be a crowd laughing at us. So crowd laughing, and we're going to make the cost 100 points. Once you got that set, create a description, pick a color, and click Create Reward. Way to go, dum-dum. Step 1 complete. Let's head on over to Lumia and get her connected. All right, on Lumia, we're going to go to Commands and click Kick Points. And yes, we're going to add a command. Click Add Command and make sure the name and points costs match. They have to be exact. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and set Lumia up to control whatever you'd like. You can control audio, you can have TTS and chatbot, as well as control plugs and key lights in your room. I'm going to change the chatbot here to create a message in the chat whenever somebody uses this command. And then we're going to add our audio file. So click Audio, select your audio file, upload it, and adjust the volume how you'd like. And then go ahead and click Apply in the bottom right corner to save your command. Always click refresh and don't forget to sync it up with your Kick channel. Now let's go test it. Head on over to your Kick channel, click on your channel points redemption button and click on the channel points redemption you just created. You should hear your audio and see the text in the chat. Holy crap, you did it. Congratulations, another Lumia tutorial complete. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.